So guys, in today's video there is going to be a dance of death. Yes guys, because in this video we have with us this powerful tire and we are going to throw it at the speed of 100 km per hour, and for this purpose we have made a powerful machine. Yay! So guys, in order to throw this tire, we have specially designed it. This tire of death, it fits onto this in this manner. Looks something like this, and then it fits inside this something like this. Bang, bang. And guys, it took us 5 to 6 days to make this bad boy, but its working principle is extremely simple. So you can see that here we have a very heavy tire this side, and to rotate this tire we will use this bike. This pulsar will be used, and in order to make this machine we had to sacrifice the back part of this bike. Guys, you can see that we have completely cut this part from here. So you can see that if we rotate this tire, then the upper tire also rotates. So guys, you must have understood that how this will work. So with the help of this tire, we will rotate this approximately up to the speed of 100 km per hour. See, let me do it and show you. The bike is turned on. Now the first gear, and look at this. This has started rotating. And guys, we have built a mechanism in it. As soon as we run it a little bit, so as soon as we move this part it up here, bang. So guys, the mechanism is quite simple. You can see that our tire will go forward in this manner. Guys, you can see that in the first gear the speed is low, and even after the speed being kept low, this tire has came this far. Now you can imagine that if we run it in the 5th gear, what will happen then? Then there will be a dance of death. Yes guys. So before running it in the 5th gear, I would like to make one request to you. Please go and like this video. Let's keep the like aim of this video at 1 million likes, baby. Please do it. I know I fully trust you. And whoever has not subscribed to the channel, quickly subscribe to it, and we will quickly start this video. We already have titanium in our blood. You please don't try to attempt this at home. So guys, this bad boy here, it is really extremely powerful. If anyone comes in front of it, or if anything comes across it, then it will definitely not survive. So one of them will go who will make sure that no one gets in the way of it. Yes guys, so first of all what I will do is show you a test run. Okay, so in the test run, we will run it just like that, and then after that, we will fix a target for it, and then we will run it and see. Alright guys, so come on, let's turn on this bad boy. Okay guys, our bad boy has now been turned on, and now let's run it in the 5th gear. Okay guys, so come on, let's start rotating tire. Yeah baby! This is the power of a bad boy! Woo! Oh man! Guys, you can see that this tire in the 5th gear, our bad boy has crossed this field. It has crossed over these poles.
It has crossed.
Guys, it has also crossed this barricade. There it is over there. Wave your hands!
Come on, wave your hand. Sixer, it's a sixer, brother. Sixer.
He's saying it is a sixer. Bring it here. Alright guys, so now what we'll do is, now let's put in front of it a target, and after that let's see If something comes in its way, what will happen then?
Let's do it one more time.
And guys, now its target is going to be this strong wooden table. So guys, now you can see that we are putting this table in this way, and then let's see what that tire does to this strong table. What do you think? You think this table will break? You tell us.
It will break.
Sure.
Sure.
I also agree with you guys. Okay guys, please comment below what you think will happen. This table here is quite thick. You can see that it is made of thick ply, and along with that it has been given full support. Okay, come on, let's run our bad boy again. Ready?
Ready. Yeah, we are ready.
One, two, three.
Whoa! Yay!
Let's try this one more time. This tire here, instead of hitting the center, it went a little sideways. You can see that it hit it here, and here it hit the table. Oh my god. Guys, look at the back.
Oh man.
Oh man. Guys, this here, it has banged the nails out of it. Look at this. The nail have been banged out of it here. Now let's do one thing. Let's turn it this way. And let's try one more time. Okay.
Yeah. Come on, let's go. Let's do it. Yeah. Wow. Come on. Let's do it. Whoa.
Guys, all clear. Guys, this is the power of a bad boy. You can see that this thick plywood has been broken into two by it. Two.
All the nails have popped out of
Now
it.
let's do one thing. Let's find a new target. Next target, this sofa. Let's try running it on this sofa.
Whatever comes in our line of vision.
Yes, this is the
Yeah,
target.
absolutely.
Okay, let's go. Ready, man?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Awesome.
Yeah!
The tire should cut right across the middle.
Ready, man?
Ready!
I don't know about the target. Anything can happen.
Whoa, that was like awesome.
Oh my god! Bro, fridge, it missed the target slightly. The fridge did break out along with the, look at this. This pole has also been broken by it. Now you can estimate its power by this. It has completely uprooted it. Look at it, guys. It has completely broken it from below right down the middle, and along with it, this time the power was so much that the main bearing that was there, the rod, that also fell apart.
It has ruined it.
Ruined. No worries, let's set the target again at the fridge. This time the target will be in the center. Come on! Guys, let's put some oil on it so that its speed can increase a bit. Come on, guys! This is the power of our bad boy!
Guys, check out this.
Woo! Guys, the fridge has been smashed to bits, but look at this. Guys, look at this. See the condition of the fridge. Look at this, guys. This is really insane. Now you can get an estimate of its power, that how powerful this is. Come on, everybody. Let's push it. Everybody, come on. Guys, now let's test this one. Now let's try to run our bad boy over this car and see what it does to this car here. That's it. All right, guys. Let's play the role of bad boy. Come on. Okay, bro. Ready?
Ready? Increase the speed as much as possible. Yeah, faster! 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 Charge!
Hey, where it's going? Hey, look at the car, guys. So, guys, we went slightly off the target. That is why the impact was not so powerful, and it hit that and came straight back here. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back.
It is the same equal and opposite reaction
Guys,
fundamental.
Newton's law.
Yes.
Someone come and learn the Newton's third law from us. Action, reaction. This is called action and reaction. Guys, did you have fun this time? Enjoyed it? And now look at the condition of the car. Guys, look at the condition of the car. Oh man, see? Look at the glass. It is completely broken and has fallen inside. Look at it. And look at the condition of the door. Look at what it has done to the door. Wow. Man, this is too powerful. Let's try once again on the car, okay? Move the car forward a little. Come on. Let's move this car forward a little. And let's try it one more time, oh man. Honestly, I'm telling you, if someone comes in front of it, it'll be chill, man. Chill forever.
Yes,
Hey,
go on, go on. Yeah.
enough. Come on, let's go. Today I'm enjoying making a video after a long time. This is real titanium army level thing. That means your level. Shall we run it, man?
Absolutely.
Please. This itself wants that we try it again and again. Look at that. It keeps coming to us again and again. Okay, kid. Come on. Let's fulfill your wish. Let's run you again and again. Set it again. Set it. It's coming back. Oh, you troublemaker.
Yeah.
It has come back. It has come back. Put it back again.
It has come back again. Yes, it has come back. No, it was about to hit inside.
This time the tire was about to hit it directly into this. It was going to fit directly back in. Bro, give us chance too, Mr. Tire.
Brother, look at the bike.
Guys, look at the engine of the bike. Just expelling smoke. Look at this. So man, there is a loads of power. Power, man. Game over. Cash out. Guys, look at this. The whole car. Oh man! The impact all the way to the inside. You can see how seat has been broken. Look at this. Now what we'll do is, now let's bring something else. Neo. Public always demands something. Neo. Come on, bring the water. Bring the tank.
Yeah. Here is the tank.
Now guys, it is its turn. We are the wedding party, behind us in the band and music, and here's the groom now. Come on, subscribe, come on, like. Turn the water on. Flow of the water is really fast.
So guys, our water tank is ready. And now let's put the lid on. Come on.
Okay, dude, ready?
Ready? Let it rip.
Out. We missed the target and the tire is out. The tire went far, guys, very far. Let's try one more time. Bring it, man, it's perfect. Shall we start?
Absolutely.
Oh man! Guys, the barricade has broken down. Guys, it has broken the pillar out front as well. Okay, man, ready?
Ready.
Start.
Come on.
Oh, Guys, we are repeatedly missing the target. Are you all ready?
Ready. Blow it up this time, bro. Yep, bearing is broken.
Guys, the last attempt was so deadly that all bearings and all inside it are completely broken. So I don't think it would be able to roll anymore. Let's try it for the last time. If you want us to do more destruction in the next video along with this, then please comment down. We will try to bring a second part to this also. And now let's try one more time. That tank has managed to survive, man. So let's try one more time. Okay. It has tremendous power. What we can do. Okay, guys, come on. Let's start it.
Why is it not starting?
We have run out of fuel. Guys, so the fuel is over. The bike has consumed all the fuel and... Come on, for the next video we will prepare it properly. If you want, we will do even more destruction. That's all for today. See, the pots are remaining. We had brought pots, the pots are remaining, and that tank is remaining. And there were a few other things that are remaining. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video with a new topic. Till then, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Love you, Army.